Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an origami fortune teller. So all you're going to need to make this beauty is scissors, paper, and some markers. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is make your paper a perfect square. A nice way I like to do this is take the corner and fold it towards the bottom. After that, you want to make sure the corner is sharp and fold down on the fold to make sure it is folded. Next, you take your scissors and cut off the bottom rectangle. You could throw it away because you won't need it anymore. Then you open your triangle to reveal your perfect square. After that, you take the corners and you fold them on their opposites. Then you take the corners and you fold them on the inside, like a burrito. After you're done, you want to take those corners and you want to fold them, but you're going to fold them on the back. After you're done, you want to fold it in half so two squares are on one side and the other two are on the other side. Then you're going to put two of your fingers in two of the squares and the other two in the other two. After you're done, you can grab a marker and open your fortune teller. You can draw on the top and draw on the bottom. What I drew on the top was a heart, a square, a triangle, and a circle. You can flip it over and write at the bottom. At the bottom, I drew numbers, but you guys can write anything. After you're done with that, you can flip open the tab and write your fortunes. I wrote positive fortunes and kind fortunes because you guys all know positivity and kindness is the best way to go. Voila! You have your origami fortune teller. Okay guys, so that wraps it up for this DIY origami fortune teller. If you decide to do this, don't forget to comment down below and let me know how yours turned out. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and join the Milkshake fam. And I'll see you, Milkshakers, in the next one. Bye!